अब शुरुआत से चलते हैं।
Every year, millions of banana trees are harvested, but most people only know the fruit. The real treasure? It's in the stem.
Inside every stem, a complete ecosystem. But today, we extract something far more valuable. After banana fruit is harvested, the stem, which would be waste, is now the raw material. Hundreds of stems loaded daily, transported to the processing factory. All right, let's get this last stack secure. Got it. Lifting now. It's heavy. On 3. Good. Now the straps. Straps are tight. All set. Good work. The factory runs 24 hours. Supply chain never stops. All right, let's get this bundle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Easy now. Set it down gently. Okay, next one. Proceed. Keep it steady. Head to the right. Park by the stacks. Stop there. That's good. Okay, start unloading. Unloading now. Steady, watch the pile. Stop, that's enough. Welcome to the processing plant. Step 1, cleaning. High-pressure jets remove all soil and outer debris in seconds. Clean stems now move to stage 2, the peeling machine.